Having a front load washer has lots of benefits, but the one thing that can be a real nuisance is trying to keep this glass clean. Because this glass is actually exposed to the wash cycle, it can actually get really dirty and accumulate a buildup that's tough to clean with just a paper towel and some Windex. I went online to see different methods of cleaning it, and I found some people were actually trying and restore this glass as if they were trying to restore a headlight lens on their car using products like this. So I was a little bit skeptical that it actually needed that much work to clean it. I actually went about a year before noticing that the glass looked kind of gross on my washing machine. I first tried just using glass cleaner and a paper towel, and it didn't really cut through that buildup that was on the door. So I went online to see if there was other recommended ways. My initial thoughts were that it wasn't actually glass. I thought it was acrylic, clear acrylic at first, and that's what made me wonder what was the best way to clean it, because I didn't want to do any damage. But once I realized that it was actually glass, I knew right away that I could clean it more aggressively, more like I do with a car windshield. When I have a really dirty windshield on my car, I use steel wool to really clean off all that bug and road grime that's on there. It works really well. You just have to make sure that you use the right type of steel wool so that you don't do any damage to your glass. Most big box stores and even local hardware stores will stock many different varieties of steel wool. The one that you're looking for is what's known as quadruple zero grade, and that's the finest grade that you can get in order to make sure you don't do any damage to the glass on your windshield, or in this case, the glass on your washing machine door. All you need to do is spray on a liberal amount of glass cleaner and then take the steel wool and scrub it. With little effort, you'll have perfectly clean glass. When you're done, you just buff it with a paper towel or a microfiber towel as if you were cleaning any other window or mirror in your house. You can use this same method to clean any glass or mirror in your house. The one thing you have to watch out for when using steel wool to clean glass is to make sure that it's not rusty. Rusty steel wool can actually scratch your glass or mirror, so make sure you check that first. If you clean your washing machine glass on a weekly basis, you probably won't have to resort to this method of cleaning it. But let's face it, most of us do not clean our appliances as often as we need to. I hope this method will help you restore your washing machine door to crystal clear glass like it was when it was originally bought. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.